Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at navigating your CAD 3D space with your keyboard. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. If we head into the program here, now today we're going to be looking at our last navigation option, and that'll be to navigate our space with our keyboard. Now there's only two main navigations we can do, at least that I can find, and that will be rotation and panning. Now I've known some guys in the past that was very handy with their keyboards, and so it can be done using this. If you're comfortable with more of a legacy type workflow, then definitely consider trying these out. Now what we can do right off the bat on your keyboard, we've got the arrow keys up, down, left and right. Now if you just use these by default, you will be able to rotate it. So if I press up, let me first click here on the actual program. If I go up, you will see it kind of rotates it in a counterclockwise. It's a bit like working with a tablet. It's a bit tricky at first, but when you get the hang of it, it is fine. And if I press down, it will do in the opposite direction. Now if I go right, it will also do that, and left it will do the same thing. And then if I had to use my numpad, make sure your numpad is off. That little light must be off. Then if I use the arrows on the numpad, which will be 2 for down, 8 for up, and then 4 for left and 5 for right, and then you can do the same thing. And another option is, like I said, panning. So for panning, what you want to do is keep control in on your keyboard, then you use your arrow keys also. So right will be go right, left, up and down, the way that works. So that is how you can kind of use it. So control and just normal arrows for navigating your 3D workspace. So just a quick recap. So we've got our normal keys will rotate it on our keyboard. So there's the arrow keys, should I say. And then if you use control, it'll allow you to pan your actual design around. So this can be handy also if you're working up close and you don't want to use this panning tool or the mouse. You can just use your keyboard and then use control in and then pan to the, just here. Oh, I'm very far from the corner, that's why. Use your control keys to pan, but keep in mind the direction of the panning, which can be quite confusing at times. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the keyboard navigation. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, and you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here and request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.